If you're getting the try again later, something happened on our end error in Microsoft Store. Here are the steps to fix it. First, fix your date and time, and open Adjust Date and Time. Turn on Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically, then click Sync Now. Also check that the correct country is selected under Language and Region. Next, clear the Microsoft Store cache. Type WSReset in Windows Search and run it. The store will close and reopen automatically. If the issue continues, App Settings, click Terminate, then Repair. If it still doesn't work, click Reset. You can also manually clear the cache. Open File Explorer and go to C Drive, Users, your username, App Data, Local, Packages, Microsoft.Windows Store. Right-click the local cache folder and delete it. After that, make sure Windows Update, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, and Microsoft Store Install Service are set to Automatic and Running in Services. If nothing fixes it, use the Media Creation tool to repair Windows while keeping your personal files and apps. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.